She's probably gonna see this, but I don't care. Cause that bitch made my life a living hell. And I hate her. And I don't. But like, let me tell you guys a story. So last year I moved in Aries, right? Cool. Because I'm a semester student. I'm a semester student at school. My semester students are those doing the engineering, the agricultural sciences, and so forth. You're allowed to change areas every semester. So last year in our first semester, I with these three girls because unity there was a 2-sleeper and a 3-sleeper in the bathroom nekish. So I lived good 3-sleeper with these 2 girls. They were very nice, cool. Sure, early semester they decided to leave and I decided to stay. Sure. And then this girl from that building decides to move in my room. I don't know. Anyways, efika yes wafika nomngane wakhe ingubo bayiphethe so kho basket akho suitcase fuhlululu ku drop ngene sawubona hi 75 la ngihlala in 9th floor room number 5. I was like, yeah, 75. Oh, okay. Okay. Shingubo zakhe. No introduction, no whatsoever. Okay, hi, I'm so and so. I'm your new roommate. Loot. Cool. That Friday, I was gonna go home. Gibuye on Monday for the weekend as Zohambanch. Okay, sure. I didn't see her for the rest of the day because she kept bringing in her stuff one by one. Okay, sure. I go home on Friday. I come back home. I get erasing. I came back very early. Because usually I have classes extend. So that day, I remember my classes were cancelled, but still ngabuya extend. I guess I figure Romini, or it was a 3-sleeper, right? It's a sub out 2, and plus a so 2 for the rest of the year. Gafe Romini, how? Hibo. Ngoba enyabe ezimbili nje lezi ngoba enyabe ezo4 I mean balela abantu bothu empedeni umpede uyazi umpede series empede ama single bed bra like mina no tuna it's so uncomfortable but it's fun. I was like hey well bitch in her room well usually it wasn't like but it's fine because I wasn't there for the weekend. It's cool. I didn't care. No I ngiyabheka there was like a study table SC day. It could accommodate 3 people. Yeah, because it was a 3-sleeper. Amazing. I study desk. It's supposed to be full of books or it's supposed to be clear. I figure one board number 1. A board way. Lama board jilawa oh lab as a rest. Ukhona uphuthu yes uphuthu lo phuthu ngathi futhi lo dala khona igubhu zamasi khona beku picnic khona igubhu zamasi khona orange khona ama go slow ama orange yini igubhu zamasi uyabona nje ukuthi nje la bekuyi picnic hayibo ngiyaqala phela mina ukubona into nje angimazi negama ugeli akazange introduce phela ngolesihlanu. Alright, so ngene ke ngibe sikhoma sami empedeni and I go to the bathroom to give the guy space ukuthi phela aphume okay ngihamba nge bathroom and then I hear isicapha sivuleka siphinde sivaleka ayi sure sephumile uguy ngiphume ke bathroom ngihambe ngeroomini ngithi ngiyafika ugelo uqhubeka uyalala bitch awusukumngani and clean up your mess angimandi bana ngifuna phela angimazi and angifuna umphaphela that. Alright, sure. Ngivele ngiyilalele ke mina ekamereni because it's extended bed. Ngifike ngiyilalele I sleep ngivuke emini ngigeze because I had a friend erase lawyer umfana ngimfonele ngithi ngixoxana nawe ahlike ezemadebhiseni siqoqele nje like for the whole day and ngiyamtshela ibo phela ngifikelwe isilingo lapha athi loyo ngiyamazi ayekho ngamazi la erase akekho ngamazi and udume erase indume kambi idume kambi. The girl is sleeping 4 o'clock in the afternoon. She wakes up, she goes to the guy, she smokes weed. Yes, she smokes weed. No cleaning, no whatsoever. She comes back, she goes into the room, and then starts clearing up. It's just like, puthu nana into lezi ngasile. Kade bezenza ngeweekend. Cool. She then proceeds to go to the bathroom. Ahambe yogeza. How? Still don't know her name. People, right? Give it a happy to get Romina me, and then she greets me. Hi, I can't just go to back my like you. John just hi, John. Guys, I bamba gabang and I'm good. How come I can do low just to iron? I put a to iron, and she has the same surname as me. Ganyan. Alright, that was the first incident. Number 2, I clean. She doesn't mean I'm working. With the girls that I used to live with, we had turns, More works we are Chanela. because that was a daily routine. It's basically clean. Oh, she never did anything. You know what? Vuka hambe bemitango abuye alale. Jalo daily routine. Oh yes. Ngibekazelo oh. Kuthi ngelinye ilanga ke angile. Asikile nalomunye uRomza lo wehlala ku to sleep. Yes. We were gone for the weekend. Okay, Johnny. Oh, she used to invite Luanfana wakhe. And then they would smoke weed in the room, you know. They would smoke weed. As much as I don't have a problem with you smoking it, but don't do it in our room. So the girl, she was a nugu in each and every way possible. This girl never used to clean. She make girls together. But ke nje okungasula kakhulu ukuthi wena nto lo ukuthi mepheka estofini so for plate mepheka estofini uyoxhaphazisa mhlawumbe made pheka rice irice eliyele lo dial gcwele istove number 2 mepheka ukhari uyoduva isonto lonke uhlala uzobola uzonuka ikhishi lonke nama-3 never used to wash her dishes. Yes, uyohlala iy'puni izohlala iy'nkomishi kuyohlala nje kungcole yesu. Number 4, she used to steal. Yes, which is kwethu. Okay, so you reported her for the cleanliness, she's not tidy and all that. That was the first time. But the second time was when she stole from us. I was gone for the weekend also. I was going Kaya this other weekend. She stole my eggs. I'm going to fridge, you know. So that time, I'm front row. Yes, get hey bo, so gone in the middle. Yabona nje lo ubezama ukutshontsha kodwa manje antshontsha ngeads kwaphela yena bekumela angawatshekisa amaqanda bekufana aqondisa. Yes, number awatshotshela nomunye uRomza wethu ke lo hlala ukuthi usleep ntshotshama ama cheese bakhe. Uyabona nje la hayi cha bandla shuthi bekwa kuyidile kamkhipheni. Hayi breakfast in bed inkosi impela neno died. The one doesn't let me get she was the worst roommate I ever had, and she was a fucking nugu. I remember this other time she wapalaza in the bath in the sink sinky, and then sinky was stuck. It was full of chunks, vomit chunks, bathroom, toilets, sink. Got my chunks on palazo. Had also nyanyisa kodwa nje hey bo udombo hi wayinkinga wayengena basket wash wayengena suitcase le impahla muthi mevula i-wardrobe ethi ufuna ukushintsha shuthi ingubo zakhe engcwele neziclean zahlala ku-wardrobe owodwa methi uvula i-wardrobe ukuthi phafu iphunga elinukayo iphunga nje linganuki kahle oyazi kube engcolile ukuthi ziyanuka umjuluko uyanuka but still ugel anganoyo ngabona into wrong ngale nto yakhe ena nje mebhema insango indoda yakhe wahlala nendoda yakhe usuku lonke kuphelile nje kuphela because wayethanda anandaba nokuthanda wakhe. I'm not her parent, I'm not her mom, but nje engizama ukusho ukuthi she was a fucking nugu and I hated living with her. It was torture because phela unyaka singazwani ncamncam, you know, kwakusawubona njani phela nje and ngayijwayele plan leyo. So it was torture living with her.